Can you see my desktop, sir? Yeah, it is clear coming. So this is our Vidyalaya Microsoft team, a unique ID they have created, and it is the name of principal. The principal is the team manager, and in his team from the class 6th to class 12th individual subject they have created. For example, if we go to 7th class, the 7th Hindi, 7th Maths, 7th Library, 7th Music, 7th PHE, 7th Science, 7th Computer Science, 7th Art, like that. Lower class almost 11 subject. 11 subject we have, and higher class some 10 I think so, and we can add also if you have, we can add also.
Senior class 9.
Senior class 9 subject they have created. This subject what we have what they told, each individual teacher should be made a owner. So this part of job I have already done. So for example, I'll take any one class, science class. This is science class. And if you go here, 3 dot, you can see 1, 2, 3. There if you click manage team, it will come. So in that, whoever teaching in 9th science, that all teachers we have added as a subject experts and the team manager we can say. So 9th class, Selvan sir, Manohar sir and Mr. Lav Kumar sir, they are handling science subject. So these 3 teachers will be can create their class in this subject. And the vice principal and principal sir will be monitor this class. If you want to add more member of as a owner, then we can just click here, add a member. So there 2 division will come, student as a teacher. So if we want to add a teacher, then we have to click here a teacher. If I add here once again Manohar sir, so this is his ID, and if I add here, it won't take because already you are the existing team member. So if new teacher I can add here. So this part of job I have done already. Each subject teachers I have added. The main part what we have to do as a teacher, we have to go to the students category. So where we will get students category? For example, 9th science, these are the owners. 5 members are owners. Remaining 60 members, you can see downside. These 60 members are class students. These students, we have to physically verify whether they are in 9th class or 8th class or some 11th class, because when we send all data from our school, before promoting higher class we have sent, so they have created as it is. So this is the typical job where we are finding little difficult. So here 60 members only are there in 9th class. Suppose it should be 79, I think so. So these other members may be in 8th class or in 7th class. So how to find these people? Just we can click here as a search members. There is one column. There you have to write 393 and dot. Suppose any candidate in 9th class, maybe Sajan is added in this. I will just add his, already he is there in 9th class. Suppose he should be in 10th class. So they have added in 9th class. Here we should delete him. this option is to delete. 1 minute, once some persons are there in lobby. Okay. Yeah, bandidare. I want to delete Saizan from 9th class. So what I will do, I will click here, remove Saizan. So automatically he will be removed from the 9th class. And I will go to the 10th class. I'll go to 10th class. Suppose I'll take any one subject, music. Let me go to manage team, and here 189 members are there in the 10th class. This is very much typical job because who passed 10th and already they are studying in 11th, and who took TC also there added in this. So suppose I want to add Saizan in 10th class, just I'll go to the add member. Then there is a students column. There I'll write 393 dot. Then I'll write his name Saizan. Then he will appear here. Just click on that person name and just you can add him. So like that, many students together also you can join. Suppose any other students 393 dot something who any number, any name, it will appear here who and who is not there. If you write their name, you will get it. Otherwise, this created ID list will send to your mail from the Vidyalaya, and you can find there already their Microsoft ID is created and time being password also given. So here I will add Mr. Saizan in 10th class because I deleted him from 9th science. So he will be not there in science class in 10th. So I will go to the 10th science. Social science it is. Oh, okay, sorry. Color change ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಯಾರು. Here, then I'll add Mr. Saizan because I deleted in 9th class. So just I'll click, I'll type as 393 and Saizan. He will appear here. The science teacher has to add him in the 10th class, and he will be added in 10th class. Is already added now. So he will be not there in 9th class. So like that, so many mistakes are there. So this part individually as a subject teachers we have to do. Suppose 9th PH is there. If madam is going here, manage team, the owner, PET madam and vice principal, principal sir will be there, and the members are only 60. If madam wants to add 79 members, remaining 19 members, she has to click here who are not there in this list, and she has to add. This is the first job as a teacher. We have to do our subject and our team perfectly. Otherwise, only these 60 members will attend and remaining 19 will be not allowed. So subject teachers, I request once again, already you have entered in your team, and whichever class you are taking already it is appearing, just you can check in your team, and you go to each class and one by one you can add and delete this. Regarding this, if you have any problem now, or if you are having any doubt, kindly let me know. Once again, I will go for this demonstration. if any doubts regarding this deletion and addition. It's adding and deleting. Is it clear? Means I'll go next. If you take 11th class we have very much difficult because only 40 members default they have added. I'll go to the English class, 11th class, manage team. If I go there, Nitya madam is taking English class, so she will be the owner of that class. Check, and remaining 2 members, vice principal sir and principal also can monitor the class. And here the members are in 11th class is very less, only 43. Suppose we should have almost 70. 71. So lateral entry students separate ideas created and few more are coming and we have to create. So that name list you should give and the office will forward to the Microsoft team the person and they will create the ID and they will send. Later we can add it. Only 43 members are there. If I go here adding one person who is not there in this list, if you tell me any one name, then we can add it. Yashashwini ilva? Okay, Yashashwini, I will try here. Add a member as a student 393 dot Yashashwini VS. This ID, this girl we have to add in 11th class. Yashwant idu? Okay, Yashashwini. Yashwant also there? Yashwant idana? Lateral entry create ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು? ನಾಮ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Any
11th no, Kunal also you put.
Sir, in this also some 10th fellows also added. So that also we have to delete. Any name you can tell me that I can add. 11th some Sachin was not there. Morning I got. Yes, Darshan Gowda already maybe. Yes, Darshan Gowda is here. So Darshan Gowda I will add in 11th class. This is adding. Darshan Gowda is added now. And you can close it. Like that we have to add and some are there 10th fellows or maybe already 11th and now he may be studying in 12th class also appearing here. Idella Ajay Vaishyala yaru?
Ajay Vaisy 12th.
That we have to delete it. Ajay Vaisy, Likita MS, all are 12th class. This 12th class should be added in 12th. They have added in 11th now. So from 10th only we have to add. This is the adding option. Once again I am repeating. Here you can see adding a member. Just click it and go to the students. Students. Don't add in teachers because teachers, if you add students as a teachers, they can remove, they can add and they can handle all those things. So we have to restrict only students. So here I will go and add some Adi Deva. Yes, Adi. Adi Dev spelling. Adi Deva may be already there or he may be some other class. Adi. Any name sir? 11th ali. Darshan Gowda aitu. Sunil, okay. Sunil. Yes, Sunil HM can be added because he is in 10th now. At present, as registered in 10th. So Sunil, like that, 11th class should be updated. And this has to be done individually, subject wise. This is more work. If they could have given class wise, so we could do, but they have not given. So individually, subject wise, we have to do. This is one. After this, I'll take any one class. I'll go for some science only. Here, if you want to take class, then you should click here, and this part, there is one general column is there. Click here means where your class is there. On that class, top of your class, you click here, then general will appear. This 3 dots near to the general, click and manage your channel. How to manage here? Anyone can post. You should give this option, because when teacher, we are giving any message or any class regarding any lesson or something, whatever we are giving, they can react, they can post. This should be there. Already it is default is there. No need to change it. And you can see here 64 users are there. In this class, 64 users and 9 apps they have created and give, and many more apps we can download and we can activate. And once again, if you see in general, there will be a bell item. There, if you click there, all activity can be seen. Means individual we can see, here we can't. This is regarding general option, and as a subject teachers, you can make it right click and pin it separately. Your general class will appear first, and normal class will be adding, deleting, and some other things will be down, and regular class will be created on top. You have to pin it. So regular class you can start. If I click here and go to the calendar, so here it will come, your calendar will appear here. So today is the date 3. So time is also there here. Like that, suppose I want to take class tomorrow. I can drag up, because my timing will be around 10 o'clock. So 4th 10 o'clock, just I will click and the calendar will appear here. In this calendar, as a subject teacher, we can type our lesson topic. Suppose I am taking any one topic. Tell Baya which topic you are going to take.
Which class?
Tomorrow, simply. Tomorrow, 9th class.
Classification.
Classification.
Anyways.
This we have to write as a topic name. And here no need to add anyone. You are the owner. If you add here as a guest person will appear. No need to change here anything. And if you want to change timing, you are not taking at 10 o'clock. Here click, you can click here and you can find your convenient time or allotted time which the school has given. Suppose sir has given 9 o'clock first period, 4th, and the period is duration is almost 1 hour, you can click 10. Or if you want to change only 45 minutes, manually can also do. I want to give, he wants to take only 45 minutes. So manually can be changed. By default 1 hour it is taking. So 9:40 I have arranged. Only 40-minute class we can take. If you want to, if you are having every day first period this class, so by default you can create all days. Automatically it will come weekly, all the days first period. The link will go to the students and no need to send, no need to create every day. And here the main thing, which channel we are going to add. As a subject teacher, when he has given biology, so 9th class he is going to add. If you click here in this column, the all class, whichever class allotted to you only it will come, because here are so many classes coming. Why? The principal sir is the team manager and he is handling all classes. That's why it is appearing here. So 9th class, oh, yeah, 9th class alla nimdu. So 9th class science, if you are a team member, it will easy to add there because you are having only 2-3 classes and 2-3 subject. And in this I have to find 9th maths, 8th combination. Yeah, 9th science I got. As a general you have to add. 9th science, click, then it will come general. So click general, automatically 9th class, all members has added. The link will go automatically to those students who are there in 9th class. And if you want to give detail regarding this topic, classification of animals, details means timing, topic, presentation, or some work, or you want to give some instruction, all students should join 5 minutes before, or something, whatever you want to type, you can type here, it will come. And later, here is the one part, upper side, right side, you can see the send. This send, if you send, the link has created and it has sent to the science. Now science teacher can see on 4th, the timing was given, you know, 3rd madida, 4th madida. Okay, 3rd. It is there in your class. So those people can only see the calendar. So this is creating link. Regarding link I told. Then how to present. How to present the class. After clicking link, it will ask you to join. And it will appear like this. All members will be there in your team. And here 3 columns are there. Suppose if you all switch on your video, then I can show how we can see the children in one class. Just you can click your videos and we can see all in as a classroom gallery. Yeah, Pramod sir is joined. That all, this also you can see. Yes, Mr. Salon sir, Maheshwari madam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all are joined. Like this, we can watch our students face to face. This is one option they have given in team. No students will deny us and he cannot escape from the class. This is one option we have and we can do it. and and if you want to present our screen, here is one one option. Can you see here? Already I have presented. If I stop, then it will go. Once again, I will come. Here, presentation part. Share your content. If you click here, the desktop will come. I have said now desktop and explain to all people. And you don't want to share your desktop, then you can go to window, but window cannot see by the students, only you can see. Students will be inside like this log, what you are sitting now at present, like that. And here some options are there, Microsoft Whiteboard, and so many options are there. So what I want to do here, what they told, Microsoft Whiteboard, sir? Whiteboard. Yeah, Whiteboard will go. The whiteboard will appear here. Present whiteboard only you, or you can collaborate. If you want to join all students by sitting at their home and their mobile, they can also join in this board if you allow them. And we are allowing only to other participant beta, only for us is enough as a teacher. So here any pen you can take, color, whatever is, or you can take text, it will come here. You can type your class notes or class topics, and you can teach. And if you want to if you want to use this pen, this can also use here, and you can draw the lines like this. This is Microsoft board. Who knows, they can only use it. This word art also can be done. So this is one thing. And Maheshwari madam went and came once again. Okay. And presentation part, already you will be there in some team. If you go there, this team, this will appear here, and you have to click on team on your general topic. And here, see, I'm going to just tell how it is activating as a post, as a file. This file date not audible. It's audible, sir. Okay, then 1 minute. I have maybe. Wait, madam, I have not.
The video is not coming.
Now, just
audible, but
now just see, sir, it is coming because I have not said.
Now only.
It will happen, sir. First time I am using, and we have to learn
sir,
by try.
Sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Ramesh, sir.
Yeah,
Tell
yes,
once
sir.
again that part.
Okay. Sir, this is option when you log in, join, you are joining your Microsoft team, it will appear like this. Means like all we will be there together. There is one column, presentation column, that I will share and tell them. Sir, here if you go general class, you can see now, I think. It's not coming there. It is not coming. It will come. How to show that? Presence.
Join only for them to register.
No, he has joined now. Now display you can see no sir. Presenting I will tell you sir. This part we will check just now. So your science class, general class I clicked here and there is a one assignment column. This can see now Pramod sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Assignment.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. It is seen. It is seen.
Okay, then yes, you have to click the assignment. Then the assignment part, the screen display will come. It will take little time. Here, the assignment you can create here. The downside create is there. If you click there, there is 3 form of assignment. Just assignment, quiz and form existing. So assignment, if you click here, you can just upload the file or you can create here topic and you can add source here regarding classification of animals and you can award the point also here. If you don't want to award the point, you can go to the rubrics like excellent, good, how we are creating new rubrics, yeah, uploaded rubrics. This all once we have to do self only. Without students we can do it. If they are not joining also we can do it, we can create it. So then this, if you want to give only particular students and don't want to give all whole class, that also can be done sir here. I have added all the students. I don't want to give all students, only one group, one subject or one topic I want to give, and I want to join these people like this 5 members, just 6 members I will add, and the 6 members topic and the things and rubrics or whatever assignment I have given, I can give only those 6 peoples. And you can create here due date also. If you want to give 1 week, you can give 1 week. 9th, you can make the due date. Timing also you can add whatever time you feel convenient or you want to close that assignment, you can give. This is one general topic, and later you should not forget that save. Creating after assignment, assigning all students, giving due date. Later you can, you should save it. Then it will save. And automatically these 6 students will get assignment, whatever you have created. And no, I don't want to give this assignment. I want to form a Google quiz. Then I will go to the once again assignment and create quiz. It is same like Google form, but little changes are there. The Google form will appear here and new quiz you can just click it and the form will appear on your screen. So if you want to give that title of that quiz, you can add this topic I want to give and description. Only 9 students can add, like that I can write there. And yes sir.
Sound problem, sir. Audio.
Sound not audible, sir.
Audio.
Sound is not clear or?
Now clear, sir. Clear.
Okay, it is here only, sir. Then add a new, click there. If you want to go multiple choice, you can click multiple choice. The question will question part will appear here. We have to type here a question, and these are the option. If you want to give more option, then add the options. More option like that, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever option you want. Same as a Google form, this Microsoft team also provided. And next I want to change in different question, then add new, and I want to give text. The text you can write, just you can write the question, the child or our students will write the answer here. And if you want to change in another mode, rating questions, that also can be given. If you want to give 3 level, 5 level, 10 level rating, you can give the rating level also. Or if you want to give symbol or number, this also can be changed. It will appear there as 1, 2, 3, 4 number, because I have given 5 number. I want to change it is 10. So up to 10 marks they can give the rate. Any general survey questions we can type here, that can be used. And if you want to go at date wise questions, you can click date wise questions. Automatically the date will appear here and it will come. Question we have to write. This I have not practiced, but the things are there. Only after creating form only we can understand. And some more options are there here, like Google form. Here look at, I don't know, just maybe file uploading, and file upload is there. If you want to give any file, means assignment in a file, we can upload here, sir. Here we can write a question, and children can upload their file here, like how we are giving in audio, video uploading. This version can also given. How many files? Unlimited files they can add, up to 10 they have given here, and the up to 1 GB they can upload. Suppose I want to give my children upload your project work, which they have written and they made in scanned, and they have kept in 5-6 pages. So I will write them Hindi project, and I will give option up to 10 file they can, or up to 10 pages or 10 file. 10 pages can be created in one file also. Some students they don't know how to add in one file. Some students they may take one page, one file, second page, second file, like that 10 pages we can give, and we can allow them up to 100 MB. Some students in high resolution camera they will take, so sometimes they will upload, and it may be more than 10 MB, so it won't upload. So we can allow them up to 100 MB or up to 1 GB, and we have to make it all required as it is Google form. We have to create, and this same thing we can share it, and settings also there. Here these 3 columns you can see here, 1, 2, 3. There is a setting options. We can here see here, anyone with this link can respond, or only people in organization, because why we are given only 10th fellows, 10 students can submit this. Earlier what was happening in Google form, if the link is shared someone's, many people can access and they can respond. In this they have given one option, only people in my organization, means in 9th class whoever we have added, those people only can give. Other people, if they are trying to give or they are going to submit, it won't come here. Only will get our students. Accept response, starting date, ending date. These all same as usual where we are doing in Google form. Totally confused this. Okay, and we can share it here. The link will come here. This link can be copy. This link can be copy here, and we can sorry. We can go here and post like this conversation. Click here and paste it. It is appearing here, and just send it. Automatically those all students will get the link. No need to